What's up, everyone? Today is April 23rd, 2019, and it is day 113 of doing this amazing 365-day video journal. Today, I just have to report that I feel so much better. The last couple days, I've, was dealing with, actually 2 or 3 days ago, I was dealing with a sinus infection, and the last couple of days I've been just recovering from it, and I feel pretty much 100%. No doubt tomorrow I'll be 110,000%. So still have this effing cough, by the way, and it is effing hot. This is why I don't have a shirt on. Embarrassing? No, I don't think so. It's just me. I'm human, and I've got nipples, man nipples. So yeah, so that's it. I just wanted to report that. Coughing and mad nipples. This is what I'm going to title this thing. Anyhow, thanks a lot. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. I'm excited for tomorrow because we're going to win tomorrow and have so much fun. It's going to be so awesome. So cool. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.